Well, I might be possessed because of this, and I'm gonna tell you why. So a while ago we were in the thrift shop and we saw this pretty cool and old guitar without strings. And we were like, €4, that's not much for a guitar, let's buy it. So I brought it home and I was like, let's give this an awesome paint job and maybe I can make a YouTube video out of it. I tried to document everything and I came up with some pretty cool and some pretty lame designs. My final thought was give this a ouija board design. First I painted it all white, and while the paint was still wet I used some dry pigment and splashed it all over the place. It looks really dynamic and gives it a vibrant look. But the only problem with it is it's a little bit too aggressive. I have to be able to draw over it after. So how I solved it is I took a white spray can and sprayed it slightly all over the guitar. So it's a little bit lighter and I can draw over it easily. If you want to try this effect and you don't have dry pigments, maybe dirt will work as well. I'm actually pretty sure it will. I took some dark red paint and splashed it all over the base of the guitar. The back of the guitar I painted it in a glossy brown and tried to paint some angel wings on the back. I used a combination of two types of paint marker, Posca and just some regular paint marker to write on tires actually. It's much cheaper and it gives almost the exact same effect, so that was really satisfying. And the bottom I finished off with a little devil head. I used an alcohol based marker to decorate the front and used an entire bottle of varnish to protect and finish it all off. I ordered some new strings from China and a few months later they arrived. I put them on the guitar, who was finished, and it's pretty awesome right now. Yesterday I took some photos of it outside. They turned out okay and I want to make a video out of it like I told you. But now this happened. I came into my room and I saw this guitar just standing there, but it's all cracked up. And it's pretty weird because the concept is ghost and it's something not happens every day. So I have no idea what happened. It must be something paranormal because the ouija board. At the same thrift shop a few years ago I bought this picture frame. It was all pink and I painted it completely black. It was all fine and I put my demonic drawing inside of it and guess what, it cracked, just like the guitar. So is this house haunted? Am I haunted? Are these objects haunted? Is the thrift store haunted? Let me know what you think. I think it will definitely not be scientifically explainable, like the strings are really tight and from the beginning it had a huge crack right here that I didn't fix properly. And because of the tension of the strings it might be tear apart. Nah, it will probably not that.